Welcome to our channel Kids Learning and Creativity. So our today's topic is my pets. Pets क्या होते हैं? Pets are those animals which live with us just like our family. जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं, जो हमारी family का एक part होते हैं. Now I am going to show you some example of pets with their characteristics. Dog. Dog is a loyal and faithful animal. They have a sharp mind and a strong sense of hearing, smelling the things. Rabbit. Rabbit is known as bunny. A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. Cat. Cat is a very cute animal and very good in climbing and loves to drink milk. Parrot. Parrot are green in color and have a red color beak. If you like my video, so like, share and subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. Okay, bye bye.